on Federal territory. May I respectfully observe all protocols. Your Excellency, I join previous speakers to welcome you on your entourage to Abalama. About 3 years ago, precisely on 5th of February 2022, the Kalabari ethnic nationality honored you, this fine gentleman, Chief Nyesom Wike, at this same venue when he was governor of Rivers State. Your Excellency, today we're here again, hosting this political icon at this same venue as a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. From my researches, this is the first time ever the Kalabari ethnic nationality has accorded such an honor and recognition to any person, to any politician. As special guest of honor, you truly deserve this honor from the Kalabari people. Chief Ojukaye has already made a point about Abalama being the Geneva of Kalabari. And he mentioned the importance of this event to honor our special guest. Coming to Abalama underscores that point. As a two-term governor, you gave everything to Rivers people, not only in terms of unparalleled development, but also positively changing the dynamics of inter-ethnic relationships through enhancing strategic collaboration among the ethnic groups in the state. You protected, defended, and gave a sense of belonging to every ethnic group in the state. The Ijaws cannot thank you enough in this regard. Your Excellency, we are essentially thanking you, here to thank you for everything you've done for us and for the people of Rivers State. We must in particular thank you for your courage, dedication, and steadfast commitment to the rule of law, which has transformed a period of conflict and uncertainty in Rivers State to an area of hope and a brighter future. May this achievement serve as a foundation for lasting peace, and may you continue to lead with wisdom and integrity. On behalf of all lovers of peace in Rivers State, we extend our deepest gratitude for your unwavering leadership. Your Excellency, the Kalabari people will be with you at every time. We will continue to support you at all times, and also continue to uphold collaboration as a veritable unifying force that will drive the interests of all sections of the state. We assure you that your footprints in Kalabari land will remain indelible for many generations. May God continue to guide and protect you in all your activities. May I, at this point, humbly request that oracle of politics in Nigeria, our special guest of honor, Chief Nyesom Wike, to please come and address his people.
Chief of Staff, Rivers State Government House, former Minister, Education, Federal Republic of Nigeria, former Governor of our dear state, and now the performing Minister for FCT.
Your baby's
Your Excellency, let me join other respected leaders of Kalabari Kingdom to welcome you to Kalabari land. Abalama in particular. Your Excellency, Abalama is very unique to the Kalabari people. Whenever we want to have an important event, this is where we gather. So gathering here today, Your Excellency, has underscored the importance of this gathering. Ata osu, ata osu, ata osu. This is the one written. Thank you, sir. We are here for Thanksgiving, so I would make long speech. But I want to join my people in a special way to thank you for what you've been doing, what you've done for Ijaw people, and what you are doing for Ijaw people, and what you will still do for Ijaw people. On that note, I want to say thank you, Your Excellency, and welcome to Kalabari Kingdom. Are you on the ground here?
the leader of Rivers State politics, the leader of men, our mentor, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and the immediate past capacity governor of Rivers State, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike. We would like to welcome you to the Kalabari Kingdom and the ancient town of Abalama City. Your Excellency, permit me to leverage protocols already previously properly established for once of time.
Don't go there, don't go.
Your Excellency, we are glad to be here today. And we are glad that you are here today. This is the least we can do as a people, to say thank you for everything you've done for the Kalabari ethnic nationality. Not just the Kalabari ethnic nationality, you've done so much for the Ijaw people. I hear people say Ijaw is Asawana. Is who made the Ijaw governor? Nyesom Wike made the Ijaw governor for the first time in our history. So I will not be Ijaw fast, not him. I will not be Ijaw fast, not him. He made it possible for us to have an Ijaw governor. States like Delta State are struggling to have a Ijaw governor. It's not possible. We are not the only ones in Niger Delta. We are a small fraction of the Niger Delta. We have other ethnic nationalities that make up the Niger Delta. And we need them to be able to survive and exist as the people of the Ijaw people. I stand very firm and strongly as the Kalabari chief and as the Ijaw chief to say that. Your Excellency, I want to tell my people, the Kalabari people, a little of the things you've done for us. They know already. Let me start from agriculture. The Abunima Obanoma Bridge was done by His Excellency Nyesom. The Abunima Road was done by him. The Abunima Sanfilling was done by him. The Trula Sanfilling project was done by him. The Trans-Calabari Phase 1, connecting the 6 communities of the Central Group, was done by him. The Community Secondary School Oboma was done by him. Community Secondary School Tumbia was done by him. The Imo Calabari Road was done by him. If you look behind me here, behind this school here, there's a 20 hectare of land that is almost as big as this community. That reclamation and Sanfilling project was done by him. If you proceed and you move into Puma, the rehabilitation of Calabari National College, my alma mater, was done by him. Marywood was not existing again. Marywood was dead. As I speak, students have just been registered into Marywood. That project was done and completed solely and wholly by him. The least we can do as a people is to say thank you. So on behalf of my people, thank you so much for attending this event and for everything you've done for us. What you did for us is not even complete. I am a testimony. He was the one that facilitated my appointment as the Secretary and CEO of the Community Development Agency. He is the one that facilitated the appointment of Ojukaye as Director of Energy in NSA's office and several other things.